Eliminex here. This is the repair I did. It would have been nice to be able to do the repair from start to finish and record it, but when you're up there balancing, you're on the ladder and you have your tools, you don't want them sliding off the roof. You want to just do everything without any incidents. You don't want to drop your phone. It's kind of hard to document it, but I do have a before where it's a big hole there. The rails were just pulled down. The Raccoon was really working at it to pull it down. Instead of pushing up, they claw at it and pull it down. So I have this PVC wire there, right at that point there. So it's not going to be able to squeeze through, and that should be that. That's going to work. So that took like less than a week. This project was I anticipated 3 weeks, maybe even a month. Some of these projects take over a month because you do the raccoons, then the squirrels get in, and then you got to do the squirrels, and then maybe another raccoon will get in, and then it could snow. So this worked out great.